We've got ourselves some freestone fruit and some clingstone. What's the difference? Well, they all have pits inside, but some are easier to get out than others. So we've got our variety of stone fruits here, and we're going to talk about our freestone. So apricots are usually a freestone, and you just kind of find that groove on the outside. I just have a regular old paring knife here, and you can see how easy that kind of pops apart. That's a freestone. That is freed up and no problem. Really, really easy to do. So the difference between that and a clingstone is I've got a peach here. Same kind of process. We're going to use our knife to go around that little groove that's on the outside. And we're going to find sometimes that we have to kind of do this a little bit more force because that stone is clinging in there. And if you just give it a twist, just like that, but that pit is still kind of stuck in there. So that would be a clingstone. So we've got kind of one clean side, and just easily enough, we can just take our knife and we can just very, very, very carefully go around the outside and release that clinging stone in there. And just like that. If this was a freestone, oh, that just popped out. So if this was a freestone, this would just come straight out just like our apricot did.